Good morning everyone. I am Abubakar Sheikh from class 9, a student of Brilliant International School. First of all, I would like to thank our most honorable director sir for giving me an opportunity to speak on Constitution Day, which is an extremely important topic. On 26 November 1949, the Constitution of our country was adopted, which was a major milestone on our country's path to becoming an independent, sovereign and republic. The Indian Constitution came into effect on 26 January 1950. After coming into force, it was the legal document of India and the most supreme document of India. Unlike many other countries that became independent at the same time, India had been a successful democracy since its constitution was ratified more than a century ago. Rather than being a collection of articles and schedules, the Indian constitution goes far beyond that. In addition to establishing and empowering the India's institutions of governance, it has other benefits. As a matter of fact, Indian Constitution gives us the right to liberty, right to speak, right to equality and other religious rights. As a matter of fact, studies have referred that our constitution is a transformative constitution, which means it is embedded with the vision and reflection of the future. Until now, it has not been required to alter an article completely, but the law merely amends the article. So our constitution has been made after proper analysis and examination. A fascinating fact about our constitution is that it was enacted at the time of independence, when India suffered most enormous challenges, including safeguarding the lives of millions of people who were displaced at the time of partition. Thank you. That's all.